If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, folks? It's MrBucketlist here, and today I'll be showing everything at the St. Louis Arch. Let's check it out. Okay, just to give a quick breakdown for those who may be new to my channel, what I pretty much do in this video is just give you all a full walking tour where there's not necessarily much commentary, but you can kind of see the surroundings and just the atmosphere of these actual locations. I pretty much show you the full walkthrough from beginning to end of this entire experience. And not only that, I just want to say for this particular video, there is going to be an extreme claustrophobia warning. To get in the St. Louis Arch, as you all can see, it's kind of like this thin, just almost with a thin arch, but it's like a little system that takes you up there. It's pretty weird. It will stay the art back then, it still is now, but it is very, very tight. So I just want to put that out there. I hope you all enjoy this video. It's MrBucketlist. Enjoy. Oh my god, I am here. This is so cool. Oh my god, this is amazing. Wow. This is phenomenal. I can't believe I'm actually here. Okay, so as you all can see right behind me, we actually have the Gateway Arch. I finally made it. I'm so excited. It is beautiful. Wow. Okay, also here at the Gateway Arch, we actually have the old courthouse. So you have to come down here from the old courthouse. It's this long stretch of grass and it goes all the way to right here. It's pretty cool, huh? The arch sign right here, and then that's the line that goes to security. They just open the doors, people going in right now. I'm gonna go in about, I don't know, probably about 10 minutes. Okay, so we are walking inside of the museum. This is the opening entrance here.
Yeah, it is like I'm not
And here we are. Okay, so right here you have the ticket center. Wow, this is nice. This is insane. Oh my god, it feels like I'm in the World Trade Center. This is crazy. Okay.
Wander a little bit and then go to the theater and then get your tram ride.
Yeah.
Good morning, welcome.
Oh.
What did you going to the top?
I'm going.
To get to the tram ride, you do have to walk through this museum. Now, what I am going to do is take this and put this at the end of the video because most people come here from the tram ride. If you are curious about seeing the full museum walkthrough, I'll go ahead and put timestamps right here. You can jump to it or you can just continue to watch the video. Okay. And then right here they actually have... So this is what it looks like. And then they have a cafe as well. Chicken tenders. We might just eat here. Okay. And here we go. To the top.
They range all the way from the 1960s to as early as last year. Then as we make our way to this room, we just want to match the number on the ground. That's what they do.
Good evening, folks, and a hearty welcome to our drive-in theater.
They'll be back down here momentarily. That being said, we can all stay to that side of the railing just to make sure everyone has a nice clear path to get in and out. That'd be great.
Yeah, whatever, do whatever's best for your thing. We're good.
Okay. I'll get in first and make sure you all have some good room.
So, I'm going to be in a documentary, I know.
Cool. Oh, wow.
All sweaty and hot. Wow, I'm sitting here going, I banged my own head.
Wow.
Now,
Crazy.
do you feel okay? I'm just
I made two friends on this adventure, and one of the women that were in this pod with me, she actually did suffer from claustrophobia. So what she did to help her was she didn't focus on the side of us going up. She focused on her friend, and she said it felt like they were just sitting around having coffee or something like that. So if you do struggle with it, but you really want to do this type of experience, just kind of think about what she did.
Yep, this is it. Okay. We can come right.
Okay, so here we are. Thank you. Wow. This is amazing. Oh yeah. Wow.
See now, like this doesn't make. The shadow of the arch.
Glad I did it. It wasn't that bad. It really wasn't. Just February. Oh, cool. Went to visit friends that I know out there. And we just
Okay, y'all. So these are my new friends. How to get you all in the video? Say hello.
Hi guys.
So we have made it to the top, y'all.
2 minutes left. Up, we got it. 2 minutes.
How is it?
It was excellent. All right, and then 2 and 1. 2 and 1.
That was cool. Really cool.
Watch your head.
Okay. And then there goes one of the legs right here. So I am heading back. I appreciate for those who made it to this portion of the video. If you did, please leave a like to let me know that you did. This starts my full tour of the museum that's located at this property. Enjoy. Okay, so we'll take a look at the museum and what's going on in here.
Right here.
Man, this is really nice, really well done. Thank you.
historical pageant, they remain popular for nearly 60 years. Wildlife shows depicted Indian attacks on livelihood.
This is so cool. So I probably should be narrating. I apologize. I'm just kind of taking it all in. But this kind of goes over the history of the city and also the making of the arch. So this is very, very cool. Okay. And then this is how you actually get to the top, the tram. And before you do, look at this. This is so cool. Wow. Okay. And then this is a little model of it. Wow, that is crazy.